Normal cargo unloading. To prepare the cargo loading system for operation, start by switching on the compartment lights. Lower the two manual sill latches. Then switch on the power for the control panel. Operate the sill latch switch to retract the overrideable sill latches and operate the joystick to the out position. To unload the next container, you need to lower the XZ latch to re-energize the power drive unit underneath it. Use the joystick to move the container towards the ball mat area. Operate the sill latch switch again and move the joystick to the out position. Unload the other containers by using the same procedure. When the cargo compartment is empty, switch off the control panel power, raise the two manual sill latches, and switch off the compartment lights.